Recently, YouTube has been double fisting me with copyright related videos left and right. The one that was especially interesting was the one from Tom Scott, where he recorded some bears. One of them got one of his GoPros. The bear then chewed on the GoPro around and accidentally stopping the recording. About an hour later, it started another recording for about a minute. Tom later explained how he basically doesn't have any copyright to that media since he had no influence in recording them. What if I change that scenario a bit? Can I make my cat committing copyright infringement?
Disclaimer. This video is not legal advice for copyright nor any other form of legal help and/or advice.
Okay, so here's my legally liable plan. Follow this is legal advice. If you download copyrighted media, you probably won't get in too much trouble. But it's starting to get different when you're distributing it. So what if I make my cat post copyrighted media on social media? But I can't just make her hit the tweet button on my Twitter account, since I am still liable for this account. And making a script that creates a Twitter account or any account is against the terms of service. What if I make my own social media platform? That's right, the definition of a social media platform is just an online publicly accessible platform when people can share media. Let's make that platform. Oh, look, there's some code. Oh, look there. Oh, what is there? Is that a post request? Now I just need to make my cat hit the send button. Well, how will I make that? Aha, look what I've gotten there. You can't see it because of the green screen. I'll just add a trigger. It is that easy. Alright, I have everything set up. I have the Raspberry Pi. Here is the touch sensor, the red thing. And the touch sensor is super sensitive. So I really playing here with fire because like this is destroying the whole point that my cat is gonna press that button. As you can hopefully see, this is my IP address of the PC. And you know, technically everybody around the world can right now access this website. Let's make my cat commit copyright infringement. And before you say, well, actually you're responsible because it's on your platform, the social media platform owners are actually not instantly responsible 24/7 for what has been posted because, you know, they can't moderate all of that instantly. So if somebody is posting something illegal, those social media platform owners are not instantly liable. Now let's go find my fucking cat, man. What the fuck? Alright guys, I finally found my cat. She's hiding under my bed right now. I don't know why. Maybe she already is expecting that she's about, you know, to do very bad things. Come on, touch it. No, come on, don't be shy. Don't be shy. I need her to touch it. I can't just shove it into her face. She has no emotion. Oh my god, no, please, just I think she knows too much. Raspberry Pi on the carpet. People are gonna hate this. Come on, bitch. Yeah, please. Yeah! She did it! She touched it, she touched it. Fucking lock that bitch up, lock that bitch up. Let's see. Reload. She uploaded the picture. Look at this, trademark. Lock that bitch up. She's going to prison, copyright infringement. Everybody can publicly access this image right now, this website, this platform. She just uploaded copyrighted protected media on a social media platform. Now, if you haven't noticed, a couple of weeks ago, a couple of YouTubers got in some trouble because they had the Guinness World Record logo in their YouTube video or thumbnail, and a couple of people got some copyright strikes actually. Yeah, that was kind of like the reason why I chose that image. Alright, I know what your smart ass is gonna say. Well, actually, you're still responsible for your cat, no matter what she does. So you are responsible for the copyright infringement. Yes, I know. Now, since I am responsible for my cat, and I would be responsible for that copyright infringement, she still committed it. If you have any ideas what I should make, what I should build, please no sex toy. Comment down below. And if you'd like to financially support me on products that cost me more than this one, then you can go support me on Buy Me a Coffee. Link down in the description. Am I recording? No, I'm not recording for 90 minutes. Oh no. Oh my god. Committed it. Cut a board. Cut a board. I cut a board.